Hello, friends. A few weeks ago, I was just sitting and thinking, what if we could search any food dish online and it should show us the recipe, steps, ingredients, everything? That time I got the idea to make something useful and helpful. So I created an advanced recipe system using Python, PHP, and MySQL where you can search any dishes and learn how to cook it a step by a step. But how does it works? How does I build it? Let's find out in this video. But before I show you everything, let me ask you something. What if I told you that this system can even help you save your favorite recipe and one day you can use it to open your own cooking website? How? We will talk about that later in this video, so keep watching till end. Who built it? Of course, I built it myself using Python, PHP, and MySQL. Three very powerful tools for website building. Why I built it? I made it because my mom loves trying new dishes, but she always asks me to find the recipes online. I thought, what if I make a system for her where she can just type name of the recipe and boom, recipe ready. How I build it? Okay, now let's break it down. First, I created a database in MySQL to store all the recipes, name, ingredients, steps, images, etc. Then I made a search bar using PHP. So you can type pizza or paneer butter masala and get the full recipe with pictures and instructions. After that, I added a page to view each recipe and every step is super simple to follow. You can even filter dishes by type like veg, non-veg, snacks or dishes. Now let's take the quick tour of our project. So first go on my Telegram channel and join my Telegram channel and download the source code from there and put that source code inside the local disk C. In that there will be one zip folder. In that have one htdocs. Go inside that and put your file here and you can see at the put recipe. Now what we have to do? Search gem and open the gem. Start the first two, Apache and MySQL. Yes, it has now started. Now click on the admin on RStudio. So it will open the PHP MyAdmin dashboard. Yeah, the PHP MyAdmin dashboard is here. Now here you can see the recipe system is already, the database is already in my system. But in your case, it will not show there. So how to import the database? First click on the import. Click on the choose file, burn the same location in the pod recipe folder. In the config, here you will find the file database file recipe system.slant file and then click on the import. The all database will import in your case. I will not click now because I have already imported it. So let it be as it is. So now what we have to do? Open new tab and search localhost slash food recipe and then click the enter. Yeah, the our website is open fully and can see the UI and the features and the categories wise and there is also the country wise. You can see the more the categories. You can see the variety of categories here. The cuisines. There's a lots of options. Ingredients. There's a ingredients. Lots of option ingredients. You can see here and there is another option called random recipe. In the random recipe, if you will click on that, you will get the random food recipe. Whenever you will click, you will get the random recipe. So now let's come on the home page. So we are now in the home page. Now let's click some recipe. Pizza, you can see it is giving the suggestions also. Lots of options. So let's click on the pizza and you can see there is one variety, the Pizza Express Market Door. If we will click on the view recipe, it will show the recipe. Here the instructions how to make the pizza Here we'll show the YouTube video also, but in this there is no YouTube video. There is the ingredients part, the ingredients is needed. There is the recipe info, and if you will click here, you will get the random recipe. Say there is the random recipe came here, and this is the popular search. Whatever the search is will search type will show there. So this is the project, guys, and the feature is if any recipe will be not available in the database, it will fetch from the API and it will save that recipe in the database. And next time if we will search the same recipe, then it will fetch from the database, not from the API. So this is the our UI of our food recipe system. You can see the cleaning oil and very good experience to use this. And the UI is responsive. Here you can see it is very responsive for it to work on also. There you can see it is responsive according to the mobile phone also. And there is also here will click that it will change. Let's see the it is responsive and open also correctly. So that's it, guys. You have remember I told you this can help you open your own cooking website. Well, you can add more features like user login, upload your own recipes, save to favorites, share with friends, and boom, you have your own blog website. So friends, this was my advanced recipe system which simple, useful and built with love using Python, PHP and MySQL. If you want to learn how to build it a step by step or you want to learn source code, just comment below or check the link in the description. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Gorix Labs because here we make learning fun. Happy coding.